Hey everyone, welcome to Bold Belief, your go-to place for learning essential phrases for everyday life. Whether you're traveling, shopping, or making plans with friends, we've got you covered with simple and useful expressions that will help you communicate confidently. Let's dive right into today's lesson. Giving directions. Go straight. Turn left, right. It's near. It's far from here. You can't miss it. Shopping. How much is this? I'm just looking. Do you have this in a different size color? Can I try this on? I'll take it. Eating out. I'd like to make a reservation. Can I see the menu, please? I'll have. Check, please. Is service included? Making plans. What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to hang out? Let's meet at. I'm free at. See you then. Talking about interests. I enjoy. I'm interested in. My hobby is. I like to. I'm passionate about. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these phrases helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all future videos. See you in the next one.